If you want to activate eSIM on Galaxy Watch 9, you can, for example, open Settings on your Galaxy Watch 9. Then over here we can proceed to Connections, and then you should be able to find Mobile Networks. Now if you open this and if you don't have eSIM activated on your watch yet, then over here we will have the option to simply use your phone to activate it. So you will be redirected to your phone, and then over here you can choose whichever SIM you want to use to set up your watch. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one. Of course, you need to have a QR code to scan it to add the eSIM to your watch. And here we need to use that button to start to open the QR code scanner. So if you do have the QR code, you can of course scan it in here to add the eSIM to Galaxy Watch 9. You can also use the activation code instead if you want to, or you can open the gallery and choose the QR code from the picture, or get the QR code from the picture if you have it saved in the gallery. Besides that, a similar option can be found in the Galaxy Wearable app. So if you open this app, we can switch to this list over here of different settings, and then you should be able to find mobile plans. And this is pretty much the same thing. Keep in mind that eSIM can be activated only on those Samsung Galaxy Watch 9 devices that actually have the LTE, that are the LTE version, because we have two versions of Galaxy Watch 9. One is Bluetooth only, which does not allow you to use eSIM, and the other one does indeed allow you. So the LTE version does support eSIM. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.